Okay, folks, we're going to make another muscle video. So, this muscle runs across the front of your leg. The bone that's in the bottom of your leg that's the biggest is the tibia. This is on the front, therefore this is tibialis anterior. Tibialis anterior. This one is on the back, runs across the back of the tibia, therefore that's called tibialis posterior. This picture shows your gastrocnemius. This is going to be a crazy way to remember this, but in high school there used to be a guy that would have gas, and he would kind of cock his leg sideways, and so I tell my students, just picture that guy doing that, and he's grabbing his calf, and he's got gas. So gastrocnemius. And then on the side here, you have what you're shown here is a piece of a muscle called the soleus, and the soleus is going to look different in pictures, just depends on how the muscle's cut away. This right here, if you look, you're going to try to find your bearings and figure out what you're looking at. You're looking at an arm, here's your shoulder, and here's the top of your arm, and then your forearm right here. So this muscle right here, you've heard of it many times, but you probably didn't hear the last part of the word. But this is a group of two muscles in here, and it is called the biceps brachii. The word you've probably not heard is brachii. So it's biceps. This one is three muscles instead of two, right back here, and that of course is going to be triceps brachii. Then here, if you look here, this is right here. Anatomical term for that part of the arm is brachial, so therefore this muscle is brachialis. Brachialis. This one, if you look, it's on the thumb side, so it goes down to the thumb side, therefore it's where the radius would be, so that's not called brachialis, it's called brachioradialis. You saw some of these earlier. This is review. So this is deltoid. This is supraspinatus. This is infraspinatus. This is teres major. And this one would be teres minor. This one's also review. Here you have the infraspinatus. Here you have the supraspinatus. This one attaches to your coracoid process of your scapula. Therefore, this one is called the coracobrachialis. There's two muscles that cross over each other in your forearm. There's this one and another one. This one right here is known as your pronator teres. And then this one right here is known as your supinator. Supinator helps you give somebody a super hug. This one right here. Actually, sorry. This one right here, that's not where they're pointing at. I knew that looked wrong. This right here is what it's pointing at. I'll call these the piano muscles. Just because it looks like you could play a little piano there. So if you look right here, these are the muscles we're talking about. And this one is called serratus anterior. And I like saying this different ways. Serratus anterior, or I like saying it really funny. So practice saying that. My students usually have a hard time remembering that first word. But that's serratus anterior. Hope this helps.